Hi, you guys. Welcome to week 7, Bio11A. I think of this week as Punnett Square week. There are a lot of Punnett squares where you're trying to figure out the genetics of offspring given the alleles of two parents. So I want you to really practice those because on the next big exam, there's a lot of them on that exam. So the more you practice now, the better it's going to be. So I've given you some practice problems. I've given you the solutions. And if you work through those, it's gonna be great. So Punnett Square week, that's this week. You have a lobster this week, and that's the last one. So for those of you who don't like lobster, it's the last one. After that, we will move on to other exercises that make up lab, but not lobster. And other than that, it's a smooth week. We continue with inheritance, and we moved on from, DNA, meiosis, inheritance. It's all one sort of big theme. And excellent. Keep up the great work, and maybe I'll see you in Office Hour. Okay, bye.